Celebrate success. Celebrating success is essential for fostering creativity. By recognizing and celebrating the achievements of employees, you can create an environment that encourages creativity and inspires employees to continue generating new ideas and approaches. Additionally, celebrating success can help build morale and improve overall employee satisfaction. In conclusion, boosting creativity in your business requires a focus on encouraging brainstorming, creating a diverse team, providing training and development opportunities, fostering a culture of innovation, embracing change, encouraging collaboration, creating a relaxing environment, encouraging playfulness, providing resources and tools, and celebrating success. By following these strategies and best practices, you can boost creativity in your business and position yourself for success. Continuing from the previous article, we will further explore the strategies and best practices for boosting creativity in your business. Encourage feedback and ideas. Encouraging feedback and ideas is vital for creativity. By creating an environment that values employee feedback and ideas, you can generate new ideas and approaches that can lead to innovative solutions. Additionally, feedback and ideas can help identify areas for improvement and help employees feel more engaged and invested. Implement a creative process. Implementing a creative process can help employees generate new ideas and approaches in a structured and organized manner. This could involve using techniques such as mind mapping, SWOT analysis, or design thinking to generate new ideas and approaches. Additionally, a creative process can help teams work more efficiently and effectively. Provide flexibility. Providing flexibility can help employees generate new ideas and approaches. By providing flexibility such as flexible work hours, remote work options, or creative freedom, you can create an environment that fosters creativity and encourages employees to think outside the box. Additionally, providing flexibility can help improve overall employee satisfaction and retention. Build trust and respect. Trust and respect are essential for creativity. By building trust and respect between employees and teams, you can create an environment that encourages collaboration and communication. Additionally, trust and respect can help build morale and improve overall employee satisfaction. Emphasize the importance of innovation. Emphasizing the importance of innovation is essential for creativity. By highlighting the importance of innovation and its impact on the success of the business, you can create an environment that fosters creativity and encourages employees to generate new ideas and approaches. Additionally, emphasizing the importance of innovation can help attract and retain top talent. Provide opportunities for creative expression. Providing opportunities for creative expression can help employees generate new ideas and approaches. This could involve providing opportunities for employees to work on passion projects or participate in creative activities such as art classes or team building exercises. Additionally, providing opportunities for creative expression can help improve overall employee satisfaction and retention. Encourage risk-taking. Encouraging risk-taking can be a powerful tool for sparking creativity. By creating an environment that encourages employees to take risks and try new things, you can generate new ideas and approaches that can lead to innovative solutions. Additionally, encouraging risk-taking can help build confidence and improve overall employee morale.